Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to have cute icons on Facebook. The first thing what you need to do, you need to get up into your profile account as you know, but then you need to go on your profile section. You need to scroll down and take a look of that section to which is set edit profile. Go for edit profile, scroll down, and here you're gonna find out links options. Go for edit on that links options, and here guys, as you can see, you can find out all these all actions as we tap. For example, I will firstly remove it to show you in better way. If I go add social link and I go for platform, for example Instagram, here on username I can add these icons or sectionable stickers. Then I can go again, add website again. I will go with, I don't know, you can choose whatever you want. For example, if you go again with edit platform, YouTube, now go for YouTube for this, and then when you get up into this, just go for save, and then you need to wait to get up to the main point to save changes. And now guys, as you can see, this has been changed and we have cute icons. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.